Is that the spot?
Okay, so we want to get going pretty quick to get our GPS pole up.
It's a bit different than the glacier in Greece Fjord.
Smoother. Right now it's really bumpy.
Okay.
Over 50 years, Fritz never stopped studying his glaciers, collecting so much data that no one could argue with.
A lot of modern science is from remote sensing, satellite work, kind of GPS type stuff. And what you can do is to get these scientists, who are just as equally expert at what they're doing as what we did, is to make them keep their feet on the ground. Don't just look at the computer screen. You should go to those areas and do some groundwork on them. Put your foot on the ground.
We've got a temperature gauge that we'll mount on top of that. And hopefully we can come back next year, or somebody can come back and get the year's temperature record.
I think Fritz would be pretty proud of you guys to be here today.
It's really phenomenal to be standing in a place that, you know, that he noticed and that seemed so important to him. And we're really trying to continue something that he would have done if he was on this trip with us this year. He would have been right up here, you know, drilling out that hole and putting in the GPS and getting some cores and really trying to figure out what's going on with these little mini ice caps. Each one of the little ones over here has these lenticular clouds on top of it, which is, you know, this sort of interaction between glacier and climate that is a lot of what we're looking at here as well.
So that's what I feel our place is to hand over, but don't forget the past, as it were. Because one of the criticisms of young people is if you can't get publications on the internet, then they don't exist. And you have to tell them that they do exist. And just get away from the computer and go to a library.